Hello, in this video I want to show you how all gestures and motions work on your Xiaomi 12S Ultra. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, locate the additional settings at the bottom. Here we can see gestures and motions, gesture shortcuts, and now let's find out how all of them work. First one is launch Google Assistant. If you hold the power button for half a second, it should call out Google Assistant. And as you can see, this works fine. The next option is take a screenshot. There's two different options right here, and we can enable slide 3 fingers down and use volume down plus power button to make the screenshots. So slide down 3 fingers to make a screenshot and use volume down plus power key for 1 second, hold it like that, and it will also make a screenshot. Next is a partial screenshot, and you will need to hold all 3 fingers onto the screen and you'll be able to take a partial screenshot like that. Next is a launch camera. There's 2 options here as well, and you can enable double press the power button to enable camera and double press volume down key when the screen is locked to also enable camera. Let's try it out. Here we have a camera with a double press power button, and now double press volume down button also pops up our camera app. Next feature is turn on torch, and here if you try to enable it, you will need to replace the launch camera feature. And if we double press power button, it will enable our camera, flashlight. Next feature is back tap, and there's 2 options here again, and you can customize them however you like. So click on double back tap, and let's use calculator, and triple back tap to open to use a silent mode. Now if you if you pick up your phone and back tap right here with your finger, it will open a calculator. And if you triple back tap, it will enter silent mode. And that's all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.